Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
We're going to pull this cover off. Just snaps right up. Then to pull off the coils, we're going to take these little clips one at a time. There's these little locks on here. You just pull it back a little bit. Using a flat blade screwdriver. I'm going to go to each one. Push it down. We're going to pull this coil out. It's the same procedure for the other three. You're going to grab in the front and lift in the back. Just work it out. Just pull up evenly so you don't break it. We're going to pull one plug out at a time. We're going to use a 5/8 spark plug socket. You want to make sure you use the spark plug socket. We're taping ours to our extension so the socket won't fall in. It's a little loose sometimes. And this spark plug socket has a rubber grommet that holds the spark plug in place so that it'll come up when it's loose and easier installation. The spark plug. This is our old spark plug. This is our new plug from 1aauto.com. You can put these in your car. It's pre-gapped, go in easily, help your engine run better, smoother, better fuel economy, and you'll be good to go, ready to rock and roll. This is our old coil. This is our new coil from 1aauto.com. As you can see, the coil designs are very similar. There is some slight differences. This coil has some improvements. As you can see, this is for better cooling, whereas this one does not have that. As you can see, the connectors are the same. These will work great and fit great in your vehicle. All right, we're gonna reinstall our new spark plug with our socket and extension. We're going to start with number 1. We're doing these one at a time. Take the old one out and put the new one in. That way it's easier to not mess anything up. You won't forget what you're doing. Now we're going to move on to number 2. Take number 2 out. You're going to repeat this for the other 2. Start them by hand, twist them down, and we'll torque them after. Now we're going to torque these one at a time to 25 Newton meters or 18 foot-pounds. Once you hear the click, that's when you stop. Installing the coil, you're gonna line it up with a hole, slide it down. You want it to set on the spark plug. There's 2 tabs to line up the back. And just push down to get it to seat. And you'll do the same for the other 3. Now we're going to install the connectors. Kind of want to get them lined up all a little. I'm going to push them down until they lock in place. we're going to install the cover. It's going to install on these little tabs right there. Just line it up, push it down.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.